What's up, everybody? This is your favorite homeboy, Edward, and today we're at the Poconos in Pennsylvania. Behind me, you'll see my house, 705 Old Stage, and we're going to do a house tour on the outside and inside, give you a little bit of an overview of this investment. All right, so we're at 705 Old Stage, and the first thing you'll notice is that we've got a lot of electronic scooters going around on this property, but we got a nice little bit of a horseshoe driveway, so that's really great for cars. So when you get a vacation rental, you got to expect there's gonna be a lot of traffic, a lot of cars, and so you know, this place sleeps 22, so it's not unusual to have like 4 or 5 vehicles at least parked on here. You don't want them in the grass, so good big driveway is a plus and a must. Okay, so here it's a very long house. You'll see there's an entrance to the game room right there. There's a main entrance right there. Over to the side we have horseshoe pits. Horseshoe pits, that's fun. One of the cool things about this house is there's a lot of not just indoor stuff to do, but there's a lot of outdoor stuff to do. So we're gonna go ahead and walk around to the back here and check that out too. Okay, so we're going around to the side here, and it's a lot easier to record. This gimbal, man, it's just it's hard to work it when I'm trying to get myself in the photos or in the video. So I'm just gonna give you first person point of view, and that way you don't have my big face in half the video. What you'll notice here is lots of decking in the back. We have some picnic tables and more picnic tables. We have our grill back here, and over here on this side of the deck we have our hot tub. So we just added some Trek decking, composite decking here, strengthened the decking so that we can add something as heavy as a hot tub. And you also notice that up above we have more decking that kind of serves as a roof cover for that new hot tub that we bought. It's a really cool hot tub. I'll see if I can show you how that looks. Yep, it's a hot tub. Okay, so over on this side, of course, we have our volleyball court, and the volleyball court is super cool. There's our first septic mound that's been here since the beginning, which the beginning is only a few months ago. And then the volleyball court's here, which a lot of people rent our place just for the volleyball court. I don't know of any other homes that have a private volleyball court, so that's really cool. This over here on the side is our second septic mound. We had to add this second septic mound because when we bought the home, they only had one septic mound, which is only enough to support 3 bedrooms. And so the county made that a requirement, which I'm glad they did, because that means I got a credit from the seller to build a second one. And now, even though it's been operating with one septic mound for a while, I feel so much better that we have double the capacity. So we're in it for the long term. We want to make sure everything is hunky-dory and good to go. So let's go up to the front. You notice lots of trees. Whoa, gimbal's going crazy. Lots of trees and lots of decking. That's what characterizes this house. Surrounded by trees, lots of decking. It's probably just over an acre of property. Our garage is used for storage on a lot of our projects we're in the middle of. That used to be the front door, but it was an awkward location. This was a sliding door that we converted to a front door. It's a better you know, location for a front door and an entryway. You'll see. What's up, Jordan? Hello. All right, we're doing interior tour now. It's like, man, how many videos is Edward doing today? There's John and Arvy making dinner or something. But okay, so here's the kitchen. You walk in, here's the kitchen, and to the right you see the dramatic dining room. What's up, fellas? So we put this huge white IKEA table together just to have enough seating for 22 people. That's the other thing. You see a lot of houses that say, hey, we can fit 22 people, and then you got this 8-person dining room table. At least be able to sit all the people you're going to be able to accommodate. So we figured that would be a good thing, and That's why we did that. That was the original entrance right there. As you can see, you know, not as dramatic. You walk in and boom, there's a wall. So that's why we switched it to that. Ooh la la. Look at that entrance. Okay, excuse the mess. Let's go to the left first. To the left, you have my beautiful wife sitting in the corner. Hey, it's your first time on video.
First and last.
First and last. Okay, we got this couch. It's kind of a weird living room. It's like long, so seating area kind of had to do like sectionals to try to maximize the space there. There's the deck that you saw earlier. There's the cool little fireplace or stove, whatever you want to call that. TV area. Okay. Oh, there is Chloe or Sabrina. What are you doing, hiding? There's bedroom number 1. Good sized bedrooms. That's what characterizes this vacation rental. The name of our vacation rental is called the Great Pyrenees, named after Wisp, our dog. So you'll see pictures of Wisp all over the place. Okay, let's go back through the dining room, fly through here. And that was bedroom 1. This is bedroom 2. All right, bedroom 2 there. 3 more beds. Say hi. And its own TV. They all have their own TV. See? And then this is the first full bath. First full bath right there. And then I'm going to take you through this door. All right, this is going to be our second full bath downstairs. Lights are off, but we're doing a lot of construction work here because what we're doing is adding a handicap accessible shower. So you roll in here with your wheelchair, you come into here, and booyah, shower time. Isn't that nice? So you got this huge shower. All right, there's the drain. It's going to be a walk-in shower. Okay, and over here is the toilet. Toilet, see the toilet? That's the space for the washer dryer. That's going to be ADA accessible sink. And this is the door through the hot tub deck. So this is going to be awesome, having another full bath with handicap accessibility, which people have been asking for. So this is where you enter through the hallway, which is closed off, but we'll go through bedroom 2 here. Speed through, speed through, speed through. Okay, right here is the hallway to the game room. Besides the volleyball court, this game room is also what makes this house. This house has a huge game room. It's got this dry bar, and over here in the dry bar, got another additional fridge for more food and overflow when you have lots of guests. A little Bose sound dock for getting the tunes going. We have some cool classic bottles up there, and then our guests added more modern bottles of liquor on the bottom. Gives our guests a chance to add a nice touch to our place. Again, there's multiple pictures of Wisp. Again, keeping with the theme of the Great Pyrenees. Another fireplace, pool table here. That tournament blue felt looks really cool. We just added that. That hockey table is probably going to go because it's, I don't know, it's just not as fun. I might just put a traditional foosball table there. And up over here, we have a step-up section. And we got this rebound shuffleboard table. That is really awesome. Have lots of fun with that. Let's go around back down this way. And of course, we got a little card table over here. Some cool lighting up there. Thanks, Brianne Hendrick. Shout out to you, our interior designer, for picking out all the cool fixtures and colors for this house. All right, we're gonna go upstairs now. So the 2 bedrooms were downstairs. Now we're gonna go upstairs. All these staircases here were carpeted, and we added wood floors. So we've been just slowly upgrading this place. Go to the left. Again, all this hallway here was carpet, and now it is wood. slowly trying to get rid of the carpet because then it's less to change in the future. Big old bedroom. Bedroom number 3. Lots of space. Probably could add a bunk bed or something there, but it's not necessary. All these bedrooms have pretty much their own deck. Looks like someone might be. Nope. Door's just locked. So get the lights on. Hey, these lights aren't on. There we go. This is called the black and white bathroom. Black and white. And shower there. All right. Gimbal's acting up. Going crazy. Huh. That worked. All right. So something's up with these lights because bath light, that's not working. That's not doing anything. That's not doing anything. So definitely got some electrical issues here. All right. Gotta look into that. This is bedroom number 4. Number 4, there it is. Bedroom number 4. Cool little bedroom there. Goes into another little section. We still consider this one bedroom. It's kind of split up like that. So lots of bedding, man, lots of space. And going into the other wing. Not your ideal home tour, but I'm just kind of winging it. Okay, this is messy bedroom number 5. You can see though, again, lots of space. Every bedroom has their own TV. And bedroom 6, finally, the last bedroom. All right, so there's the last bedroom there with its own deck. And every vacation rental should have an owner's closet. This owner's closet is just a space where you can add stuff like extras, bath tissue and light bulbs and stuff like that, so that you don't have to keep buying stuff from Amazon and drop shipping it. You can have it pretty much at the ready. Something goes wrong, boom, go to the owner's closet, have someone get it for you. Oh, someone's in there. I'm videotaping. Housekeeping. Well, we'll get that bathroom later, but it's just a full bath and it looks pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed the tour. We're gonna talk about numbers now. Door's now open. Doesn't smell too bad. Why they got this? Oh, it's so warm. Oh, it's because he was taking a shower. Okay, so clawfoot tub, baby. And check out the new flooring. We did LVT because it was wood. Who puts wood in bathrooms, man? And it was, because it's so wet here, that's what the problem was. It was making the wood all like rotted. So we put LVT and it looks awesome. That toilet seat needs to be replaced. It's a little crooked. But there's a shower, clawfoot tub, and double vanity. And it comes with your favorite homeboy. And that's pretty much it. What's up, Andre?
What's up? I forgot my deal right.
Time to do scooters.
I bet.
All right. All right. We're going to talk numbers now. You watch out.